$50,000, 2 years, 30 funded accounts. I blew most of them. The ones I didn't, I blew slowly. Here's the part that should embarrass me. Every single rule that finally made me consistent, it was free. I just couldn't hear it until the bill came due. I'm not going to tell you how to find a strategy. I'm going to tell you what 50 grand of failed challenges taught me about the trader I was and the trader I had to become. 5 rules. None of them clever, all of them boring. The boring is the point. It started with a 250 challenge. I passed it, felt like a god, blew the funded account in 11 days. So I bought another, then another. Resets at 65 each, bigger funded sizes for $9.90. By month 4, I'd spent $4,000 without a single payout. By year 1, $20,000. And I kept telling myself the same thing every trader tells themselves at this stage. The next setup, the next platform, the next session, this time it's going to click. It didn't click. Not for 30 more accounts. The 30th funded account. I remember the morning, coffee already cold, New York opened. I took my first trade at 9:33, lost. I took my second at 9:40, lost. I took my third at 9:51. The third one was the one that closed the account. The chart didn't kill me, I did. I'd been told 100 times, by Twitter, by books, by every psychology video, that revenge trading is what blows accounts. I knew it. I'd nodded at it. I'd never not done it. That's when something cracked. Here's what cracked. I'd always thought the rules I needed were strategic. Tighter stops, better entries, a new pattern I hadn't tried. The truth was, the rules I needed were ones any 9-year-old could understand. They cost $0. I just hadn't been willing to keep them. So I rebuilt, deleted every other time frame from my screen, closed every Discord I was paying for, made 5 rules, just 5. Rule 1, 1 window, New York open, 2 hours. That's it. I don't trade London, I don't trade the afternoon session. The market opens at 9:30. By 11:30 I'm closed. The platform is shut. The laptop is closed. Most of the money I'd lost over 2 years was lost in hours I shouldn't have been awake. Rule 2. 1 or 2 trades, maximum. Not 1 or 2 setups I like. Not 1 or 2 if the market gives me a third. 1 or 2, then done. The trader who takes 7 trades is not 7 times more skilled. He's 7 times more hopeful. Hope is what they sell challenges to. Rule 3, A+ only. I keep a written list of what an A+ setup looks like for me. 3 criteria. If a setup misses any one of them, I don't take it. Doesn't matter if it looks like my setup. Looks like is how you blow accounts. Is or isn't is how you keep one. Rule 4. 2 losses and I'm done. Not done with the trade, done with the day. Phone face down, laptop shut, walk outside. The day after a 2-loss day used to be the day I tried to make it back. Now the day after a 2-loss day is just the next day. That single change saved every funded account I now hold. Rule 5. Base hits. No home runs. No pressing winners. No moving stops. No averaging into losers. No, just one more contract on the next setup. The traders making consistent money on prop firms aren't the ones with the highest win rate. They're the ones with the smallest mistakes. 6 months on these rules, 10 payouts, about $15,000 back in my account. Still net negative against the 50 I spent. I won't lie to you about that. The bill isn't paid yet. But the math finally moves in the right direction every month. And the days don't end with that particular feeling I used to have, where I couldn't quite tell anyone how the morning had really gone. $50,000 taught me 5 rules. They were free the whole time. I just couldn't hear them yet. If you've spent $500 chasing a funded account, listen to the rules now. If you've spent $5,000, listen now. If you've spent more, I know the chair you're sitting in. I sat in it for a long time. The rules are still free. They will keep being free. I'll see you in the next one.